Oga Ancelotti, congratulations on top your Champions League finals qualification.
My boy, thank you.
Oga Ancelotti, you be winch?
You say wetin?
I mean in a good way, sir. Based on say wetin you do, nobody been expect am.
If na that kind winch, no problem. I be confirm winch. All these people wey dey talk say Guardiola na the best coach. Best coach my yansh. Na small boy where I dey.
So you wan tell me say you plan all these things?
Yes na my work be that. To dey counter other people's strategy and to strategize my counter-attacking strategy in a tactical maneuver.
You don't confuse me, sir.
No worry, my boy. You no suppose understand.
Oga, sir, as now where you don't defy all the odds, starting from PSG where you mistakenly beat.
It's like slap the hungry you, ba.
Sorry, sir, no be mistake. But you feel say if you do the same thing against Liverpool for finals?
Unless person mod Benzema na me go carry that trophy go house.
But now you go be the underdog.
You still dey call me underdog? After I beat una so-called best team and coach, thunder fire you and your grandpapa, mumu boy.
Oga Guardiola, my condolences to your unfortunate Champions League dream demise.
My Champions League dream with Man City never die. I go come back next season.
But you go still come out again.
You say wetin?
People they talk say your Arturo swear for you now.
You dey mad?
No, sir. Now wetin everybody they talk. Say the swear still they follow you.
No mention your Arturo for my front again.
Why you no go mention am? After everything wey you do Yaya Toure.
Wetin I do your Arturo?
You pursue and come off from Barca. Him run come Man City to continue in better career. You still run leave Barca, come Man City to come finally destroy in career finish.
Na because him no sabi the ethics of football mastery.
Oya where your ethics of football mastery don carry you reach now.
Wetin carry you come here?
Kubala, go and help your mother.
Na you wan interview me now?
Wetin concern me concern interview. I say make I come confirm whether you dey okay after that disaster wey sup.
Since when this one come start?
You be my guy na.
How?
Me and you go the same school of thought that year na.
I no understand. School of thought na school?
If no be school, why them come dey call am school of thought? All of them na school, Joe.
It's like something huge dey worry you for head.
Oga, calm down. I come ask you one simple question. Why you do Yaya Toure like this kind thing? When make am decide to go village swear this kind life altering swear for you na?
Which swear?
Say you go be local champion for the rest of your life na.
Sorry, respect yourself oh. I dey vex already. No come put salt on top my vex.
You suppose put salt and pepper inside your mumu vex. How you go lose that match?
Na your match? Wetin concern you?
You know how much of my life savings you don't throw away?
Your father no disturb me with your nonsense gambling issues oh.
Thunder fire you there. You throw away my money, they tell me say I get gambling issues.
Molinho, I swear your sense don dey decay finish. How you go bet against Benzema and that a drug lord gangster Ancelotti?
Na mistake them take beat PSG and Chelsea na. Who expects me them knock Man City join?
Na mistake dem take beat me now.
Oga, get out of here, Joe.
You dominate.
Yes na. You know see say Walker get injury comot. Na. If to say him finish game, Madrid for no come back.
Your father.
You better waka yourself comot for here before this man wey don almost mad go comot your head.
Wetin you wan do? Na me send am.
No problem. You see this village champion title where you and Man City get ba? E go follow you until your career finish. Nonsense.
God forbid.
If you like, no go beg Yaya Toure. They there the forbid cause wey don dey follow you. At least now I don't know say with your village champion mentality, you don't already carry Premier League. Village champion European flop.